And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to adjust skin tones in Adobe Lightroom. As always, you will find these images via the description link below. Let us go to Edit. Now we can open our profiles, and you can use these profiles to adjust your image, and most often you will have a good result. But if you want to do it manually, we'll need to go to Color. Just open it via the drop down menu, and you want to use Temperature and Tint. Reset it by clicking on the names above the scales. Let us use the white balance selector. Activate it, then use the widest point in your image and left click, and temperature and tint will be adjusted automatically. If you click on a warm color in the image, it gets colder, and if you click on a colder area, for example if we've had a blue background, the skin would become warmer. But we can adjust it further with the color mixer. Open it right here and make sure you've selected the orange color channel. And now we play around with the hue, the saturation and the vibrance. And you can see that this specifically targets only the orange colors in this image. So in this image we only need some slight adjustments, not much, but it helps. Let us compare to the original and you can see the slight difference. Let us go to an image where we can adjust the skin tone a little bit more dramatically. Once again, edit color, open the color mixer, and we use the white balance selector. This time we don't really have a fully white spot in the photo, but we can still try different positions in the image and click on them until we found something that we like. And we can also adjust it manually again. Once again, I'm in the orange channel in the color mixer, and you can see I've given the skin tone a very warm feel through these adjustments. And if you compare it to the original, you can see the effect is much more dramatic. So these are the basic steps you want to use if you want to adjust the skin color in Adobe Lightroom. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.